Today, the Flandreau Santee Sioux tribe officially announced its own medical cannabis program will be ready to issue licenses to patients next Thursday.
And the tribe says its Native Nations cannabis dispensary will open in Flandreau on July 1st and will start selling to people who meet the requirements of the tribe's medical cannabis ordinance. Now, I interviewed South Dakota Governor Noem yesterday about what the tribe's plan for medical marijuana means for people in the state. Are you aware of the medical marijuana programs happening on the tribes in South Dakota?
I am, yeah.
Governor Noem says the tribe's plan to start its own program before the state begins issuing medical cannabis cards by the November 18th deadline is a legal complication.
We have some law enforcement officers, state's attorneys that are very confused on what they do right now from July 1st until October 29th. How do they see someone interact with them who has marijuana on their person but doesn't have a medical card?
While IM26 does give the state until November to start issuing cards, the new law has several provisions protecting non-resident cardholders that take effect on July 1st. Included in that definition are identification cards issued by another state, district, or territory. Will the state recognize medical marijuana cards from other states?
We will when the system is set up as laid out by the law. Yes, there is a process that when we have the ability to get that time frame in place that we'll be able to certify those other cards.
As the state works to build its own medical cannabis registration, Governor Noem says state leaders are meeting with other stakeholders to build the safest system possible for South Dakota.
We've got a lot of businesses reaching out to South Dakota that want to do business here, to provide these type of products to individuals. And so those have been discussions that every agency is having continuously.
As for the local business planning to open on July 1, Governor Noem says the legal implications for people who use the Flandreau Santee Sioux program are unclear.
But a lot of these decisions, when it comes to how we interact with tribal cards, tribal members, and the sale to those off of reservations in tribal areas, is going to come up to state's attorneys and what they decide to do as far as prosecution.
You can watch more of our interview with Governor Noem with this story and several others on KELOLAND.com right now. We've also included links with more information about the Flandreau Santee Sioux Tribe's medical cannabis program.